Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix Instagram. This song is currently unavailable problem. So if you guys received a specific issue that you were trying to use a specific song on your Instagram post or story, but this song is currently unavailable, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys, step by step, just how to basically fix this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we can do in order to have a quick workaround on this. But basically, I want to discuss with you guys, why is this issue actually happening? So when you go onto the Instagram application and try to post a story on there and use the add music option, or you use a specific music for a specific post, and what that music is unavailable, one of the main reasons as to why that is happening is that specific music is still not out on Instagram just yet. So if it is a newly released music, and it's just released on specific platforms, let's say it's just released on YouTube alone, or maybe on Spotify alone, that may be the reason why. So you gotta make sure that that specific release, or that specific track is released on all platforms, available on social media, and that is gonna make sure that of course, that specific song is gonna be available on Instagram for you to use. Now, if it is a song that it has been released for quite some time already, most likely, the reason as to why you can't use that song is it may be explicit. So Instagram does have its limitations and community standards on specific songs. So if it is basically a song that has some nudity or profanity on its song, Instagram may choose to not use it. But one quick workaround that we can do now is to post me.sel. Use this song onto our story alone, is to actually share it directly on our stories. If you have a song, if you want to use a song, line posted on your story, all we need to do is search it on Spotify, and let's use that song. Let's launch it. Let's tap on this 3 dots, or you could also tap on this share option, and let's choose stories right here with the Instagram logo. That is gonna allow us to post this whole song onto our Instagram story without those limitations that this song is currently unavailable. And that's how you guys could quickly work around this issue. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.